Hey everyone, are you into AI tools but tired of seeing crazy prices like $49, $89, even $100 a month? Good news, you don't need to break the bank. Today I'll show you 5 paid AI tools that people spend money on every day, and then I'll give you free alternatives that work just as well, sometimes even better. Stick around, especially if you're a student, freelancer, content creator, or just want to save money. This is a popular AI writing tool used for blogs, emails, ads, and social media content. But the basic plan starts at $49 a month. Free alternative, ChatGPT, free version. With smart prompts, it does the same job. Just ask it, write me a blog post about the benefits of solar energy in simple English. Boom, structured content with intro, body, and conclusion. Copy AI also has a solid free plan if you want a more template-based experience. Truth is, Jasper is great, but with good prompts, ChatGPT is just as powerful for free. Spin, everyone knows Grammarly for grammar and spelling correction. But premium features like rephrasing and tone adjustments cost around $30 a month. Some free alternatives: LanguageTool, great for grammar and style suggestions. Quillbot, amazing for rewording and paraphrasing. Something else perfect for students, writers, or anyone working in English. Try this. Paste your text into Quillbot. It improves the sentence structure. Then use LanguageTool for fine-tuning. Done. Something else once you go as person, Midjourney auctions. This tool creates amazing images from text prompts, but it's on Discord, needs setup, and costs at least $10 a month. Something Black, DALL, built into free ChatGPT. Craiyon, fun web-based, completely free. Leonardo AI offers daily free credits with better quality. Example prompt, a kid dreaming to become an astronaut floating in a galaxy full of stars. Try it on DALL or Craiyon and see the magic. Otter AI, used to transcribe meetings, interviews, or lectures. It's powerful, but the free version is very limited. Free alternatives. Whisper by OpenAI, open source, accurate, and free, used by developers and apps. Veed.io, lets you upload audio/video and get transcripts, limited but free. Even Google Docs has voice typing. Just speak and it types for you in real time. So if you're a student, podcaster, or just want transcripts, you've got options. Notion AI, awesome for summarizing notes, writing to-dos, organizing workspaces, but to use the AI, you need a paid plan. Free alternative. Use free Notion plus ChatGPT side by side. Ask ChatGPT to write summaries, brainstorm ideas, or outline tasks, then copy into Notion. Great combo for productivity, all for free. So, to wrap up, you don't have to spend tons of money to benefit from AI tools. With the right free alternatives, you can write, design, organize, and transcribe like a pro for $0. Let me know in the comments. Which tool surprised you the most? Want a part 2 with more tools? And don't forget, like, subscribe. Share this with a friend who's paying too much for AI tools.